Hey kings and queens, you asked, and I'm back with another video. This is going to be herbal infused antibacterial yoni wash. So I'm going to talk a little bit about the herbs that I chose for this antibacterial wash. We've got yarrow, which is a powerful infection fighter, great for wound repair and stitch tissue. And then we have rosemary, which is an antiseptic. And then we have chamomile, which is antibacterial and antiviral. We went with German chamomile. And then right here, we've got calendula, which is an antiseptic and soothes irritated tissues and great for the skin. And I think I mentioned on one of my other videos that I love calendula. Okay, so you're also going to need a preservative, and I'm going with Luicidal SF Complete. And then you're going to need something to balance, and we're using citric acid to balance out your pH. And then this is the surfactant that I chose. I'm only going to go with one, and it's cocoa gloside. And then you're going to need to check your pH. So I have the strips. And then I'm also going to add rosemary essential oil to it. And I've got aloe vera juice right here. And you're going to need a container to put it in when you're done. So what I've already done to save some time is I heated my herbal infusion up already, and I used distilled water for that. So what I'm going to do now is strain it. So you're also going to need a strainer and a cheesecloth and something to put it in. So I have that. So I'm just going to turn on my scale. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in 60 grams of the herbal infused mixture. Let me wipe this off. Get the bottom cleaned off. And this is already cooled off. So we are done with that, and now we are going to go ahead and add 18 grams of the cocoa gloside. Okay, so now I'm going to add my cocoa gloside, and I'm going to be adding 18 grams of cocoa gloside. Okay. Next, I'm going to be adding my aloe vera juice, and it's going to be 36 grams. I'm going to mix this up a little bit. Now, if you don't want to use cocoa gloside as surfactant, you can use Castle soap, but just know that Castle soap, you cannot balance the pH on that. So I usually use that for body washes. But if I'm going to do face wash or yoni, I always use a surfactant for that. Now I'm going to add a couple of drops of the rosemary oil. I'm just going to mix this up, and we're getting ready to check the pH on it. So get my strips out, and then we're going to add our preservative once we check the pH on it. Now we want the pH to be between 3.8 and 4.5. So I'm going to see where we are. We want to drop it down a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of citric acid. It only takes just a little to bring down the pH. So just a little. Stir this up. And you'll see it change a little bit of color because of the citric acid. Now I'm going to get out another test strip. See what we got. Oh, it looks a whole lot better than the last time. So you just compare the two. And we are good to go, I'm pretty sure. Let's see where we are. Oh yeah, we are right there. Okay, we're at 3. So I will take that. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and add our Untitled SF Complete, which is the preservative. And then we're going to mix this up. And we're going to go ahead and add it to our bottle. Let's see what we got. Nice, beautiful foam.